Hello and welcome. I'm Monique. Some know me as Zen or Zen Zone Monique. I'm truly glad you're here. If this is your first meditation, congratulations, and thank you for choosing me to guide you through your first experience. Take a deep breath and know that there's no right or wrong way to begin. You don't need to be perfectly still. You don't need to clear your mind. You just need to be you, right here, right now. Let's take a few minutes to talk about what you can expect, how to handle any discomfort, the purpose for meditation, and how meditation can become a soothing tool in your life, like a trusted friend you can turn to anytime. What is meditation? Meditation is simply the practice of being present with yourself, your breath, and your body. It helps you build mindfulness. It's a gentle training of the mind to return to the moment, to find calm, to notice what's happening within and around you without judgment. It supports emotional balance. Most meditations begin with slow, deep breathing, which activates the vagus nerve, a key player in calming your heart, breath, and digestion. Some people meditate while sitting. Others lie down. I have friends whose meditation is riding motorcycles with eyes open, of course. You can walk and meditate. If that's what feels better for you today, walk slowly and mindfully. Keep your eyes open and let your awareness stay with you each step, each sensation of movement. That counts. You don't need special clothing, incense, or even silence. You just need a little curiosity and some willingness to be with yourself for a few moments. Meditation is a practice. It's not about achieving perfection or expecting the same result every time. Some days, it may feel calming and peaceful. Other times, it may stir up unexpected emotions. If this happens to you, know that it's completely normal. Remember, meditation is not about controlling your thoughts or forcing stillness. It's about allowing yourself to simply be in the present moment. Whatever arises, let it come and go without judgment. Remind yourself that you are safe and you're always in control of your experience. What is mindfulness? Mindfulness means being fully present, right here, right now, without judging your thoughts. You're not stuck in the past or worrying about what's next. You simply notice what you're feeling and experiencing without piling on stress or criticism. Hand positions, mudras. What do you do with your hands? This part often feels awkward for beginners, so let's simplify it. Palms facing upward, resting maybe on your lap or your knees. It's a symbol of openness. If you're hoping to receive insight, peace, or healing, this is a lovely position. Palms facing downward, perhaps on your lap, on your knees, symbolizes grounding. If you're feeling scattered or anxious, this helps draw your awareness inward and down. Choose what feels right for you. And if you don't remember any of this, that's okay too. I have a worksheet you can have. Click the link in the description. What if I can't stop thinking? Here's a secret. Few people can. The mind is designed to think. Meditation is not about turning your brain off. It's about watching thoughts come and go, like clouds drifting across the sky, without attaching to them. You might think about dinner, or laundry, or an awkward conversation from last week. That's perfectly normal. Imagine your mind like a toddler running away from the parent to explore. When you catch your mind wandering, gently take the hand of that toddler, focus on your breath or the sound of my voice, and continue. That is the practice. What if I feel panic or discomfort? Think of your mind like a clear glass of water with sediment settled at the bottom. When you stir the water, the sediment rises, making the water cloudy. Meditation can be similar. It stirs up unresolved thoughts, emotions, and experiences lurking beneath the surface. Sometimes this can bring clarity and release, but for some, it may cause temporary discomfort, anxiety, or heightened emotions. If you ever feel overwhelmed, return to focus on your breath. Deep, steady breathing can help you stay centered. Gently bring your attention to your surroundings. Open your eyes if they were closed. Look around the room and observe without judgment. Notice a color, a shape, or a texture. Say to yourself, I'm safe. I'm here. Another powerful tool is grounding yourself in the present moment by engaging your senses. For example, feel the support of the chair, the ground or floor beneath you. Listen to the sounds around you, my voice, the music, or any sounds within your space. By anchoring yourself to the present, you can gently interrupt that cycle of anxiety or emotional intensity. You can place your hands on your heart or your stomach to feel more anchored. If sitting is uncomfortable, stand up, stretch, walk slowly. Movement is not a failure. It's a response to your body's needs. Meditation meets you where you are. Why meditate? Harvard Medical School reported that mindfulness training improves attention at the level of brain physiology. This means that by focusing on the present moment, cultivating mindful awareness toward sensations, and attending to the rising and falling of your breath, you can actually improve your brain's ability to direct your attention and accurately perceive the world. It used to be the thought that components of thinking that make up your IQ, such as attention, were relatively fixed because they are based upon your brain's function. However, from studies like this one, we now understand that this is an old-fashioned idea. According to Harvard, by practicing cognitive skills such as mindfulness, you can literally change your mind, your brain, and your IQ. Many benefits of meditation are wide and well documented. Reduced stress and anxiety, increased emotional resilience, improved focus and concentration, better sleep, enhanced creativity and decision-making, more compassion toward yourself and others, a deeper sense of calm and inner peace. Over time, you may notice you respond to life's challenges with a little more grace, and your mind isn't always racing ahead or stuck in the past. Meditation gives you space. It's a little pause between the stimulus and the reaction, a sacred place where you can choose how you show up in the world. About Zen Zone Monique meditations. I create guided meditations that are a little different. Many of them are rooted in real destinations, often places with deep history, wild nature, or ancient spiritual significance. From Indonesian caves to Icelandic lagoons, we travel with our imagination and intuition. These meditations are like mini vacations for the mind, with detailed storytelling to help you truly feel like you're there. But more than that, these journeys often include gentle healing of old wounds, emotions, or beliefs that no longer serve you. Each one is crafted to make meditating exciting and accessible, even for people who usually say, I just can't sit still. The ultimate goal to help you cultivate more peace in your relationships, in the way you speak to yourself, and in the way you show up in the world. My personal experiences with meditation. I began meditating decades ago and have been teaching for quite some time. After a car accident in 2019, where I experienced a TBI, traumatic brain injury, I used mindfulness meditation and received healing of my right eye while in the hospital right in front of a doctor. This doctor said he needed to perform surgery, but I would likely lose my right eye. So I asked him if I could have 10 minutes. He gave me a funny look, but went and did his rounds, then returned after 15 minutes, only to discover that the pressure of my eye was exactly what it was supposed to be, meaning no surgery was necessary. My right eye is not 100% healed, but it is extremely functional, and I didn't need to have it removed. This is only one of many positive experiences I've had with meditation. Please note that I'm a very experienced meditator, and individual results do vary. If you're ready, we'll now begin a short practice meditation. You can remain seated, lie down, or walk slowly, whatever feels good for you. Unless you're walking, close your eyes or lower your gaze. For beginners, I especially recommend lowering your gaze, since you are less likely to go to sleep. Simply close your eyes about halfway, as though you were staring at a candle or something mesmerizing. I teach a box breathing method that helps connect with your heart. Use your abdomen. Take a deep breath in through your nose, breathing in to the count of 4, holding your breath to the count of 5, and then exhaling slowly through your mouth to the count of 6. We will do 2 of these together so you can practice it, but you don't have to use this breathing technique. Let's give box breathing a try. Take a deep breath into the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath to the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale slowly through your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once again, take a deep breath into the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath to the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale slowly through your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you choose not to use box breathing, take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, hold briefly, and let it out gently through your mouth. Regardless of how you choose to breathe, inhale peace and exhale tension. Now simply begin to notice what it feels like to breathe. You don't have to change it. Just observe. Feel the air moving in through your nose and out through your mouth. Notice the temperature. Does the air feel warm or cool? Let your body settle just a little more. You don't need to go anywhere. There's nothing to achieve. Just be here. If thoughts arise, let them pass. If emotions arise, breathe through them gently. Say to yourself, I am safe to be still. I welcome peace in this moment. I do not have to fix everything right now. I am enough exactly as I am. Breathe into that space. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw unclench. Let your heart open just a little. Feel your body supported by the ground, the chair, the earth beneath your feet. Let this be a soft place to land. You are not alone. You are welcome here. As we near the end of this short introduction, know that you can return to this feeling anytime. You don't need to wait for a full guided meditation. You don't need to wait for the perfect environment. Even pausing for one conscious breath during your day is a meditation. With practice, your inner world will begin to shift. Your nervous system will begin to trust. Your mind will begin to soften, and peace will find more space to enter. Thank you for being here, and thank yourself for showing up. I'm Monique, also known as Zen, and I hope to journey with you again soon, somewhere beautiful in your mind and in your heart. Until then, take a deep breath and carry this peace with you into your day. Much love, Monique.